All right, now we should be ready to create YouTube live events now that we have our API keys of YouTube configured into the settings of Staxio. Now we're going to find out, and this is what we're going to do in this walkthrough, how to create YouTube live events. All right, so from the planner, I'm going to focus only on doing live events. So I'm going to disable Google Stacks. I'm going to disable the Cloud Explorer. I'm going to focus only on the live events table. And the table is empty. Oops. The table is empty because we need to authenticate to our YouTube account. And that's why the table is empty. So this is the first thing that you're gonna have to do when you come to the live events section of Staxio. So Staxio is telling us to click here and log into our YouTube account, right? So this is the first step, is the authentication, and this is exactly what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do exactly what Staxio is telling me to do. I'm gonna click here. It's gonna open a new tab. And the state symbol is invalid. All right, so I'm gonna need to refresh my Staxio window. So if you get this error, no, it's in Portuguese, but it should, if it's in English, it should say the state symbol is invalid or expired. Message similar to that. And what you need to do is just refresh the browser window and come back to our live events section. All right, and click on the live events, and I'm going to click again on the authentication link, and I should now be able to see a success message. Very good. And success, I can close this and go back to my Staxio browser window. So I'm going to close the tab, and now I'm on the Staxio browser window, and I'm going to do what Staxio is telling me to do, which is to click the reload button. I'm going to click the reload button. I'm going to reload the live events table, and my live events should appear in the table. All right, very good. So I have a total of 116 live events on this account. This is just a test account I've been working on, and very well. So I have my live events populated. So still about the authentication, we have two buttons here. We have a button that will reload our YouTube live events. So this will just fetch the live events from our YouTube account again. Just to reload the live events, we'll ask YouTube to give us a list of live events and repopulate the table, this table here. And then we have the select button. And the select button allows us to select our YouTube channel. Just as an example, I'm gonna click, because on this account, I have multiple channels. And if you also have multiple channels on your account, this is what this button is for, you can select a different channel to work with when you're doing live events. And Staxio allows you to select a different channel for you to build your live events into. I'm not gonna select another channel. I'm gonna stick during this video, I'm gonna stay with this channel and this account, and I'm gonna build a couple of additional live events just to show you guys that there is, I think the limit for doing live events per day is it's between 50 or 100, I'm not sure, but it's a considerable number of live events that we can do on a daily basis. So we can test for many keywords, and this is exactly what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to get a list of keywords into my title section. So this will be, each title of my live event is going to be a keyword. So I'm going to get a list of keywords and paste it here. Just give me 1 second. And here is my list of YouTube live events that I want to build. On the description, I am going to have the same, well, I don't really care. I'm gonna just continue, and I'm gonna select a playlist. I'm gonna do this playlist here, and I'm gonna create my YouTube live events. So I have, I think, 14 YouTube live events that I am asking Staxio to create. And let's wait until Staxio completes our build. All right, looks like Staxio has created our live events. Let's take a look and see what we have here. So this is probably at the end of our list, of my list. Yes. So here we have it. I think this was the first keyword. Yeah, so this is the date. So this is today. This is the first keyword I asked Staxio to create a live event for. And it looks like there's another page of live events, and very good. Yes, so it's all the way down up to here because these are older live events. So right, it was a successful build of live events. So I have an additional 14 live events created on this account, and you might have noticed that these keywords make no sense at all, right? These keywords probably do not exist if I do a search on Google, which we can take a look at. But if I search for any of these keywords, the probability of them existing is very slim. I don't think they do. I'm going to open an incognito window, and it's going to take a look at, for example, this keyword and see here what Google is going to tell us. Accept. All right. Well, actually, looks like there is some results for this keyword. I don't know. I don't even know. Marina foam. No, that's not. All right, there's actually something very similar to this keyword, and that's why Google is giving me results. But let's take this keyword, the second keyword, and do another search. All right, this one has no results. Very good. So what I'm expecting to happen in a few minutes, is that Google is going to start showing me results for the videos, the live events that I've created. I've just created just 1 or 2 minutes ago. You just saw me do, and I'm expecting that Google is going to start showing me the live events on the search results. So I'll probably pause the video for a little bit and come back. This took a bit longer than a couple of minutes, and maybe because it's the weekend. So let's take a look at some of these results, and we can actually do that by clicking on this arrow here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold the control key, and I'm gonna click on several of these results, because this is gonna open up a search result window for this keyword, for each of these keywords on Google search. And we're going to see if I'm going to check the video live event results for these keywords. So I'm going to click, and you're going to see tabs opening. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I'm going to go on to the first. The Marina foam. yeah, the Marina Foam result, we already seen that Google is you know, looking at this keyword, and it's giving us results for Marina Foam. It's very closely tied to this keyword, so I'm gonna close. It's not relevant, so I'm gonna close this tab. But this one, this result, so let me extend it. All right. So for this keyword, which is this weird keyword, it's already showing me the live events that I have created. And in this case, it's actually a list, and it's not even the first keyword. The first live event's not even the keyword that I searched for, but it's showing up because it's on the video description. And if you remember correctly, what I did was I added all the keywords, so you can see that on the description I have all the keywords for all the live events that I asked Staxio to create. And this is why this keyword probably looks like it doesn't have the live event is not ranking on the SERP yet, but it's showing up all the other videos, the other live events, because they have the keyword and the description. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 live events for this keyword ranking on Google. Let's take a look at another one. This one is not showing up any results yet. This one is as a related keyword that is very close to the keyword that I came up with, so it's not relevant. This was not showing up any results, and this one is showing up results. So this keyword actually has a live event that is ranking for the exact keyword, and it's showing up on the first position of the results of Google, and also a bunch of other videos, because again we have the keyword in the description. So in this case, let's see how many videos I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, 7 videos, because first one is the keyword is on the video live event title, and the other ones are on the description. Let's keep going and take a look if there's anything else. All right, here's another keyword which is ranking for this well, for 2 of these live events, because I did create this one too. This was 2 hours ago, right? And additional, we have some more, again, more keywords, because more live events ranking for this keyword, because the keyword is also on the description. That's a lot of videos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos. Let's take a look at any more examples. So this one doesn't look like the video, the live event is ranking for the keyword, only the ones with the description. Usually when the keyword is not showing up on the first position of Google, it means the video is not ranking yet, but the other ones with the keyword here on the description, they rank. All right, these are all good examples, and yeah, there are more because we did, I think, 14 keywords, but this is enough examples to show you that this is how we can use live events to find out which keywords we can easily rank for on the Google search results.